So welcome back, guys, to another video on Kids Coding Playground. Today we'll be doing another Python tutorial. So today we will be doing a stamping project on Python. So it's like the Scratch, on Scratch how you can use pen. On Python we're just going to be stamping like icons on the screen. So you can use any image you'd like. So like here we have an image of an apple. So usually you would want to get a 64 by 64 for trinket.io, so this is like 256 by 256. But if the icon's too big, you can like go into an editor and make it a little bit smaller. So yeah, or you can just go to the description below, and in the Google Drive you can download our sprites if you want. So without further ado, let's start a new trinket. So let's click new trinket and click Python. So first things first, we're gonna rename our thing to stamping icons. So stamping icons, and I'm gonna actually make the font a little bit bigger so that you guys can see it better. Okay, so first we're gonna import the turtle so then we can actually use the pen. Import turtle. So we're gonna import the turtle. Okay. So the turtle in Python is a pre-installed Python library that enables users to create pictures and shapes by providing them with a virtual canvas. The on-screen pen that you use for drawing is called the turtle, and this is what gives the library its name. So yeah, it's basically like a pen in Python. So we also have to import some sprites into here, so let's import the sprites. So what you want to do is click the image library and then upload a new image. So we're gonna click here, and then we have all of the Python stuff, so we're just gonna get one of these. I already have these pre-downloaded. You guys can do whatever you want, or you can use these same. So we have two Space Invader monsters, I guess, and then we're gonna get spaceship. So we're gonna get 3 sprites and click done, so it'll save it. And then now you have the 3 things from Space Invaders. So now you want to click main py to go back to the code. Okay. So now let's make a new variable. So let's define the variable myTurtle. Turtle. So we're going to define myTurtle equals the turtle.turtle. And then you have to put a parentheses at the end, and then you can add a semicolon if you like. And after that, you want to get a canvas, which is the basically the stage or the backdrop in Scratch. You want to put an equal sign. Canvas equals turtle dot screen, and then put a parentheses, and you could put a semicolon. And then after that, we're gonna add all of the sprites into here. So canvas dot add shape, and then we're gonna go here. So right here we have all the sprites, so we're gonna get the alien1.png. so Control C, and then you gotta put quotation marks and put that inside. And then next we're gonna put another canvas dot add shape, and then put a parentheses and a quotation mark, and then go into here. We're going to copy paste this alien3.png, go back to the main py, duplicate it here, and then finally canvas.add shape, and then we're going to put a quotation mark and a parentheses, and then we're going to get the Space Invaders.png, go back to main py and duplicate it. So as you can see, and then after this, we're gonna get one last thing. Print. We're gonna print the canvas dot get shapes, and then we're gonna add a parentheses. So when you play this, all the different sprites will show up down here, like the Alien 1, Alien 3, Space Invaders, and these are just like the other stuff within the turtle. So that's what the print thing does. It'll just show up right there. And after that, we're gonna start working on the turtle. So first, we're gonna make the turtle go up. So we're gonna do myTurtle dot up, and then put parentheses and a semicolon. And I also forgot to put semicolons for here. It's optional, but I like to do it. And after you do that, my turtle.up, which basically means moving the turtle up. And then we're gonna set the X and Y position of the turtle. So, like in Scratch, we have the goto block. In Python, we have something called goto as well. So just do my turtle dot goto, and then you put a parentheses, -200, and then you put a comma 0. So this is just a random position I just picked, like somewhere like right here, I think. And after that, we're gonna get something called moving forward. So we're gonna do my turtle dot forward. So this does what it says, just move it forward. And then we're gonna do this. So this means moving forward 50 steps. So we're gonna put my turtle dot forward in parentheses and 50. So this basically is the moving steps in Scratch, basically moving 50 steps. And after that, we're gonna get a my turtle dot left. So this basically means turning the turtle left. Sorry, turtle dot left. This is turning the turtle to the left side, 90 degrees. So the turtle is facing this way, so turning 90 degrees to the left would basically mean the turtle is facing up right now. So the turtle will be facing up now. So after this, we're gonna add another thing. We're gonna say my turtle forward 100 steps forward. So my turtle dot forward, and we're gonna do 100 steps. Okay. And after that, we're gonna get the shape alien1.png. So we're gonna get my turtle dot shape, and then we alien this thing. Just copy paste it. Control C, Control V, and then after that we gotta stamp the thing. We gotta stamp the alien1.png. So we're gonna do a my turtle dot stamp, and then add a parentheses at the end. Okay. Now I'm gonna run the code to show you guys how it works. So as you can see, the turtle is moving right here, and the Space Invader is showing up. So now we have one of the Space Invaders showing up, and now we gotta stamp the other ones. So we're gonna enter again. After it's done stamping, we're gonna make it turn right. So basically it'll be facing like to the side. So we're gonna do my turtle dot right, and then we're gonna do 90 degrees as well. Okay, and then after turning right 90 degrees, we're gonna make it move forward again. So it'll just move this way. We're gonna make it my turtle move 100 steps again. Turtle dot forward 100. And then after moving forward 100 steps, we want to make the turtle face left again, making it face straight up like this alien invader right now. Space Invader. It's alien. So we're gonna do my turtle dot left, and then we're gonna do 90 degrees. Okay. After turning left, we're gonna start after like you're right here or something. We're gonna get the other shape. So my turtle dot shape, and then we're gonna get the other one. So copy paste it. The alien invader 3. So alien 3. Scroll up a little bit. Okay, so after this, we're gonna stamp it. So after we get the shape, we're gonna stamp it. So my turtle dot stamp, and then we're gonna add this semicolon, and got the semicolon right here, and semicolon right here. So after this, we're gonna add, we're gonna stamp the last alien invader. We're gonna stamp another purple one. So we're gonna make it turn right again, so it'll face this way. So now move this way. So my turtle dot right, and then we're gonna do 90 degrees. 90 degrees after turning right. Okay, after that, we're gonna make the turtle move forward again. Dot forward. This is like pretty much the same thing as the other parts. And then after that, after moving forward, we're gonna get turn left again, so then he'll be facing up, so that will be upright. My turtle dot right. I mean, sorry, not right, left. So it'll be facing left 90 degrees. So you have to do left 90 degrees, so it'll be facing up again. After you get the left, we're gonna add this alien 1 PNG again, so just copy paste this. Okay, after copy pasting it, we're gonna stamp it, of course. So we're gonna do my turtle dot stamp, and then put a parentheses, semicolon. After that, we're gonna finally get the Space Invaders. So we're gonna get the shape Space Invaders. So we don't have to stamp actually. Like we can just move to the position. If you set it before, you can just move to the position, and it'll actually become the new sprite. So we're gonna actually do this instead. We don't have to stamp. We're gonna do my turtle dot shape, and then we're gonna get the Space Invaders. Okay, so then just put that in here, and then semicolon. Okay, so after doing this, we can just move to this place we want. So the place I got to was -50, -100. So we're gonna do my turtle dot go to -50, -100, and then we're gonna add a semicolon. So I'm gonna show you the whole game, and I'm gonna show you them step by step. So if you run it, it'll be like that. It'll change like that, and the Space Invader. So now you got the 3 little aliens and the Space Invader. So if you would like to comment out something like making it not able to run in the code, just put the pound symbol. In other programming language, this is like // but this is Python, so it's gonna be pound. So I'm gonna show you the first 2. Okay, so let's get it up to here. So now let's play it. So as you can see, you can stamp the 2 things, and let's say we do comment it up to here, up to this stamp. So now you can see when you run it, you see the 3 Space Invaders, and then after that it'll become, and then the spaceship will go down here. So yeah, that's pretty much the project we're working on today. So let me run it one more time for you guys to see it. So as you can see, it's a pretty cool project you can do. So you can save your project like that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!